Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I'm wanting to do my Christmas nails and I'm going to use some SheModern water decals. I fell in love with these last summer when the lady from SheModern did the bows on a nail right here on YouTube, and I'm going to try to do that as well as some other stuff. I'm not sure. I've got a few things here like red gems and some little diamond glitter flakies. I was thinking of making some holly on a couple nails. Take them out of the package. There's a piece of plastic to protect them. There's another piece of plastic. You take that off. Get some sharp scissors. I like thread nippers. You can get like a whole 10 pack of these on Amazon for not much. I could put a link below if you'd like. And this is the glitter silver with the glitter red. It's hollow. And I have two of these sheets. I've already pre-cut out some lines and some bows. I'm going to do that, I think, on 3 nails, and I'm going to try my 3D holly thing I'm thinking of on my other 2. I'm not really sure. And when you get done, you can just put them back in your little baggie to keep them nice and safe. Some people like to store them in photo albums. I need to get one of those. And if you don't want to do hollies with, or if they don't work for me, with gems and glitters, you can always use their water decals that are foils. You just apply them the same way. But first off, I have on my nails, I've decided to challenge myself this year and go with a white base color. I don't like cream whites as much, so I have on 2 coats of White Queen from Model 1s. This originally was in their In Wonderland set, but now you can buy them separate. So I have 2 coats of that on. I placed grip gel on 3 nails that I'm thinking about putting the bows on because I accidentally washed my hands after and all the sticky was gone. So I had to have that right now. Plus I'm thinking about layering the bows on my thumb. So I'm going to use grip gel in between. So first off, this is what I've already cut out. And I'm going to size it up for my nail. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it this way and this way or just this way. I'm not sure. So I'm sizing it up. I'm only touching it with my fingernail, not with my skin. Just gonna size it up approximately how long my nail is. Not sure if I'm gonna go under the bow yet. I'm not sure of anything when I start these. Go back and make sure that it's fitting. Yeah, it will fit. So since I want to try to layer this one, I'm gonna do the silver one in the same size. Not sure if I'm going to be able to layer them or not. Originally I was going to do red on 2 fingers, but somehow I distracted myself. Okay, that'll be my 1 thumb. Because the hollow won't show up over the white very much. And if I go the other direction, and there are 3 different size lines in this set. Just to show you, there's a large, medium, and a small. I'm using the large on my thumb along with a small hollow. I'm using a large red, a small hollow, and I'm using the medium and the small red for my other 2 fingers. So, in case I'm going to do it sideways, let's get an approximate. You don't want to go over your, you can crimp it right where you think it's going to be like that. And if there's too much, I'm doing this because I want to save my lines as much as possible. But if there's too much, you can always use 99% alcohol, maybe 90% will work, I'm not sure, to dissolve off the extra. I'm doing this because I want to save as much as possible because I got my right hand to do as well. I'll do the same thing for the silver. Hello, glitter. I'm loving these glitter ones. All cut out. I think this one's for my index and this one's for my ring. I know these are for my thumb because they're the bigger ones. Just take a little bit of water. You can do it on your fingers as well. You just want to wet the back a little bit. Should start with the finger that I'm going to use first. say are the hardest ones to do this way. It doesn't take long to release from the backing at all. So you could just hold it down a little bit. That's why sometimes I just like doing it in my fingers. See, it already came off. It's ready, it's about to go. It comes off so fast. Okay, holding it down, my fingers might have been a little sticky. Once they're down and wet, the backing comes off, go ahead and take it out. It's okay. I may go ahead and take the backings out because I know I'm going to use these up. So my favorite way to apply any decals has been with the stamper method or cured grip gel. I take it and I just damp it off onto a makeup sponge, just like so. I'm going to try to get this on. You can reposition it, and I'm just tapping it off onto a makeup sponge. I'm going to try to get this on my nail. I'm going to do this one in the center, I think. I was going to do offset. I think I'm going to do close to the center. So I got a little cross on my nail. It's not exactly in the center, but when we wrap presents, we don't really wrap directly in the center. See if I can make that happen on these nails. Maybe we'll go long first. The hollow's wanting to come on already. Not ready for you, hollow. Stay back. I'm gonna try to do the long way first. Think about offsetting this one. I'm going to put a layer of grip gel over these so that I will secure them in place before I add the bows. Make sure everything's tucked down, else it will cure standing up. Nothing's on your skin. Give it a 30-second cure. Okay, now I want to try to double layer this on. I've never done it. Fingers crossed, everybody, that I can do it. Just pick the right sizes to do it. This is where you'll want to line them up, which is usually horrific for me to do. You could offset it if you had on a different color polish. Well, I took it off and put it back on because I really wanted it. Let's see how this one goes. That one I really like. That one I really like. Covered up my sideways bow a little bit. That's pretty cool. Let's see if this makes any difference. If I add the bows, I'm gonna do another grip gel, just a real thin layer. Give this a cure. Okay, pick up my bow, clean it off. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna layer the silver on top of this one. I think I like it just as it is. These are ready for top coat or more glitter or whatever you want. I don't think I'm gonna add the silver bow. I was gonna add the silver bow, but let's do it just to see what it would look like. I don't know. I kind of like that too. I like both looks. I guess I'll keep this. Just line it up how you want it to look. So I used one of the large and one of the smaller ones. That's a cool look. Done with water decals for my left hand. I'll be top coating in. I'm going to be putting some stuff. I was thinking of some glitter, but I don't know. Before we get done, let's try the SheModern Galaxy color in red spark twinkling, because why not? It's probably not going to show up very much over my super glittery nails already. I just thought I can make it sugared looking. That's probably what I will do. These two, I'm going to make them sugared looking. Some more grip gel. Let's kind of frost that in and see what it looks like. Hopefully it looks good. I don't know. Let me just do that one so we can compare what they look like. Now it's time for top coat and my first ever hollies. Let me get out my top coat. I'm going to do one at a time and cure it for 5 seconds just so that we can not flood my cuticles. I'm going to do these one finger at a time, get everything ready. I've got some red gems, I've got some gold little, or green little, or triangles. I should have probably used gem glue first and then my top coat. Or rhinestone gel. This is my Model 1's rhinestone gel. I call it gem gel. Let's try this. It doesn't move at all. I'm trying to figure out my pattern. I have a 6-pack. I got one of, or the 4-pack. I've got one of the largest, one of the second to largest, or 2 of the second to largest, with the 2 largest in a 6-pack not even being in that package. Well, this time I forgot where my gem glue is at. Try not to get it on top of your gem, but it happens at times. Of course, you can do this with clear polish. I've never done this before, just trying it. My first time ever. Don't want to put an odd number on there. I like that a lot better. Just need the gems to get in place again. Wish I'd have did that over here. Well, live and learn, right? Live and learn. Tempted to do more, but I'm scared I'm gonna hurt it. I'm gonna give these a cure and top coat. Okay, everybody, I went ahead and did both hands, top coated it, everything. I found a few tricks out during this. First off, the layering stencils are extra thin, so be careful when you're using them. Don't be rough. And for my hollies, first I went ahead and top coated the nail in. Then I put on some rhinestone gel, did the blings and the green glitters, cured it for about 5 to 10 seconds, just enough to get it sit because it's clear, it's still going to cure. I went ahead and put a little bit of base gel over the green because I was having trouble getting on this hand you see me having trouble getting the top coat to stick. I may have to actually fix this one up. And then I cured that, put top coat around, and made sure that nothing's sticking up except for the gems, because that's the only thing I didn't kind of top coat. So this way no hairs will get on there. I really like that method. So that's my little tips for you. I really didn't like when I put the galaxy over it, but I do like it under here. I wish I'd have put it on before the bows. Well, anyways, on to what most of you will find the most exciting part of this. I have a giveaway. SheModern has graciously sponsored a giveaway for me. There will be 10 winners of nail foils of your choice. Got a couple more examples. They have letters that you can make your own custom words. And here's one of their other newer ones where you have 2 color choices. What the winners will receive, I have 10 winners. Only 3 can be from outside of the US. So down below, please state enter me and whether you're in the USA or non-USA. And I can have 3 non-USA winners. I'm going to put them all on the wheel, spin the wheel. After I have 3 non-US winners, the rest will have to be US. That's just how the company would like everything to be done. So I can have up to 3 non-US and 10 total winners. So thank you SheModern so much for that. I really appreciate it. SheModern was a sponsor of my very first giveaway. I really appreciate it. And go ahead and check out SheModern.com and see all the cool foils they have. They're changing it so much. I'm so shocked at all the changes that the site has had. It even has a mobile friendly version now. I thank everyone for being here. Read down below for all the rules. I appreciate every one of you. Good luck everyone. Have a great day. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye bye.